Meet Sarah. She's a BI manager at a mid-sized Australian business. Every week, new reports requested, existing ones to maintain, datasets to update, refresh jobs to monitor. 88 Power BI reports, 43 workspaces, one team. And like most BI managers, Sarah takes her job seriously. She builds things properly. She cares about quality. But there's one question she cannot answer. Is anyone actually using what I'm building? Here's what Sarah doesn't know. 88 out of those 129 reports haven't been opened in 30 days, not once. 27 refresh jobs failed last night, silently. No alert, no notification, no one knows. 4 workspaces have no owner. Nobody knows who created them. Nobody knows what data is inside them. Sarah isn't failing, she's flying blind, because Power BI doesn't give you one place to see all of this. The admin portal shows what exists, not what's broken. Activity logs give raw data, not answers. And by the time something surfaces, the damage is already done. Technology Q's Power BI Health Check changes all of that. In 30 seconds, from Sarah's own live Power BI data, she can see everything. Which reports have 0 views? Which refresh jobs failed overnight? Which datasets have no owner? Which users haven't logged in this month? One dashboard, every answer. No guesswork. Sarah retired 129 idle reports, cleared 4 orphan workspaces, fixed 27 failures her team didn't know existed. And for the first time, she could prove the value of what his team built, not with a feeling, with numbers. If you're a BI manager who's tired of maintaining the invisible, book a free 30-minute Power BI health check call.